Before the video starts, I would just like to say that I do not own Caillou or any of its characters. Now enjoy the video. Hey guys, it's Vividfin here, and today, I bring you, Caillou Misbehaves at the Firework Show and Gets Grounded. This was inspired by Viva Jake, who made Caillou Misbehaves on Independence Day, and I'll do that possibly on the 4th of July. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video.
What should I do today? I'll probably play Cluster Truck, and then live stream it on my YouTube channel, then I'll get millions of subs. Let's go and get mother freaking famous. Hey guys, it's Caillou the Awesome Gamer 1200, and today I'll be playing Cluster Truck.
When Caillou finished streaming Cluster Truck, and he also got 0 viewers and 400 dislikes.
Caillou, get up. We are going to see the fireworks show in the park now. It is 8 p.m.
Holy mother freaking god, I streamed Cluster Truck for 11 hours.
Just get in the car, and also I'm putting you in a straitjacket.
The reason Boris and Caillou are in a police car, because it's the only car seen at night. And the fireworks show is supposed to be at night, just to clear up the misunderstanding that could have been caused from this.
Dad, why did you put me in a straitjacket? We are only going to see fireworks.
Because I can't trust you not to jump out the car and kill yourself or something stupid like that, just like I know you do.
I'm making a run for it.
Ouch!
Looks like I accidentally ran over Caillou again.
When Caillou got revived due to Plotagon logic. Unfortunately. Anyways, when they got to the park.
Welcome Plotagon City, it's Ryan here, and today, me and my friends have been giving the honors of setting of the American fireworks this beautiful starry night. Here with me I have Officer Lewis of the Plotagon City Police Department.
Hello Plotagon City, I am Officer Lewis, and I am going to set off the Plotagon City fireworks in 10 seconds.
Caillou, the fireworks are going off now. Look up in the sky.
Holy crap, Harry, those fireworks are beautiful.
I've never seen anything better in my life.
Hang on a second. Is that Caillou?
He better not vaping ruin this.
Well, it seems like that's it.
No. I want more fireworks. 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 I want more fireworks.
Caillou, normally I wouldn't do it out here.
That's what she said.
Oh. Whoa, Caillou, how dare you misbehave at the fireworks show and make a very dirty adult joke? You're so grounded for Guglapexium centileniums. When we get home, I am going to beat you up with a belt until you won't be able to walk.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and the next video could be even better than this video. Please subscribe, comment, and like this video. Plus turn on post notifications to stay updated. See you guys later.